Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Corrosion. Today's topic is another product review. Do keep in mind, I don't get any kind of payment or subsidies from these product companies. It's just my years of experience and using them in my vehicles, and that's where I give my reviews. And if I am wrong by any means, please leave it at the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, what I do over here is I make product reviews related to automotive, especially cars, and I also make a lot of buying videos. I have an S55 AMG project that I'm working on. It's on the road, but it's always going to be a project. I have a 300ZX twin turbo, and currently working on a 94 MR2. So,
hey everybody, I will be giving away the corrosion window stickers to one lucky subscriber every month, so please hit the subscribe button right away.
ucas engine oil stop leak. So this is a product, so basically if your engine is leaking oil from the rear main seal or the valve cover gasket, or if the oil and coolant is mixing around the head gasket, it's a product you can use. Now, there are some limitations to this product. First of all, if it's that bad, you're dripping oil in your driveway every night, and it may or may not be that effective, or you may need a couple of treatment instead of just one oil changes. So there are a lot of reviews online that people used it once and they thought it's gonna fix it. It just doesn't work that way. So because the treatment needs to find where the leak is, the treatment goes there, and then it reacts to probably oxygen from the air and creates a solid surface that stops the oil from leaking there. So you may not get the result in first go, but if you use it a couple of times, you will get the results. Now, having said that, if you need a head gasket, you're going to need a head gasket, because this is not going to help you in head gasket repair. If you're overheating left and right, go to a mechanic, get a new head gasket. If you disagree with me, please leave it in the comment section. If I missed anything, please leave it in the comment section. My next point is, when you are using this system, I highly recommend you do not use this system in any of the new vehicles. Example, any of the new GDI motors, or any of the new generation turbo motors, because I'm not sure if this product is good with the GDI motor, because gasoline direct injection, it works in a different way, so it may clog up your valve guide, so that's a very costly repair. I'm not sure that's I'm not going to recommend. And also on all the modern engines, the oil galleys or the valve galleys, they are so minute and so precise. A product like that, I'm not sure if it's going to move accordingly, especially if your vehicle takes a synthetic 5W20 motor oil, which is a very thin motor oil to start with. Adding that to your motor oil, it's going to raise the viscosity and reduce the lubricity. Not sure if that's the right product for a new motor. But if you have a 79 vet, or an old Chevy 350, or I don't know, anything prior to, let's say, 2003 or 2004, go for it. Give it a shot. It's a great product. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any comment, please leave it in the comment section. If you disagree with what I said, leave it in the comment section, because I would love to learn. And please hit the like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more awesome content.